Welcome back viewers. Now we will see what is terminal. Okay, after the navigator we have option of terminal. Okay, to get terminal what we need to do, just click there on this button, on this icon, just press on that and then we will get our terminal. Okay, after pressing on that, here you can see we have got a new window here. Okay, this window is known as terminal. And now we will see all of details of terminal. So my dear students, in terminal first of all we have option of trade. Okay, this is very important. In trade option what we will see all of our pending and open trades. Like here I have an open trade, and if I have any kind of pending trades, those will be shown also. Now keep in mind that all of your active trades will be shown above this gray line. Okay, those will be shown above this gray line, but if we have pending orders, those will be shown below this pending orders. Okay, all the active trades above this gray line and all the pending orders will be below this line. Okay, similarly we have here our balance, equity, margin, free margin, margin level, etc. all of our details of our account also. And here in the end we can see our floating profit or loss, okay, of our trade. Okay, and whenever our trade is open we can see also its symbol, trade side, buy, etc., all of those details also. So in the trade option we have balance, equity, everything, and all of our active and pending trades also. Now next option is exposure. If we want to see any currency exposure, then we can check it here. Okay, this is not important. Now another next option is account history. This is going to be very important. Okay, and it is telling us about account history. Like here we can see deposit like this one. Okay, and it will tell us all of details of our account history, like total profit or loss, credit, deposit, withdrawal, etc. Okay, now for the beginners, they don't know how to take account history. To get our account history, what we need to do, just right click there, and after that we have different options. Like here all history, 3 months, last month, or we have option of custom period, save report. Okay, so if anyone says that I need your account history, what you need to do to save your account history, just click on this option. Okay, save as detailed report. After clicking on this option, save as detailed report, then it will give us a new window here. Okay, with name, etc. What we need to do, I will save it on my desktop. Okay, and then I will get it. So just save it, and here you can see my account statement has been uploaded, okay, on the desktop, and it is in present in the PDF file. In my account statement I can see broker name, account number, name, currency, leverage, and date, etc. My open trades, my closed trades, and all of the stats of my account. Okay, equity, free margin, etc. And here are the details of drawdown and all of other things. Okay, so in this way we can get our account statement also. Okay, it's very simple. After that we have option of news. Now this is a built-in option of news, okay, which is present in our MT4, but I will never recommend it to you, because we will study that which website we need to use for news, okay, for fundamental analysis. Okay, I personally use fxdanielsavage economic calendar for fundamental use. Okay, so this is never recommended. After that we have alerts. If you have any kind of alarm or any kind of alert in your MT4, those will be shown here. After that we have option of mailbox. So all of emails regarding to your account, profit, etc., all the news, those emails can be seen here. Okay, like I will double click here, and here I can see dear client, etc., and I can see all of those details, etc. Okay, now our next option is after the mailbox, it's markets. Okay, so this is a special market related to forex market, and here people are selling their rewards, indicators, etc., etc. Okay, and basically this in this market you can buy different kinds of things, like here we have equity risk books. Okay, and their price is also given, and all of those things are shown here also. Okay, and here we can see expert advisors, indicators, all of the paid indicators which are given here. Okay, and after that we have libraries, utilities, etc., etc., and in the end we have downloads also. Okay, so in the market all of paid things are present to give you option of buying anything whatever you want. Okay, so after that we have option of signals. I will never recommend you to use this signal, because basically purpose of this course is to make you a successful forex trader. Okay, and if you are going to use any one other instruction, if you are going to use any one other signals, then this purpose will not be completed. So just rely on your own self, never follow anyone else. After the signal we have option of code base. In this code base we can find different kinds of indicators, reports, etc., but this is for the programmers and coders. Okay, this is not our concern, especially for the beginners. Okay, so our next option is experts. In the experts tab we have information of reports, indicators, etc., but this is not our concern. Okay, after the experts we have journal. In journal we can see all the details of which we have performed on our MT4, like here order close, etc., order close and pending order, whatever we have done on our MT4 login, etc., then it is going to tell us in our journal tab. Okay, so basically in trade terminal two things are important. First one is this trade option. Okay, here we can perform our all of trading, which is very important. Active trades and pending trades. Active trades are going to be shown above this gray line, and pending trades are going to be shown below this line. Okay, and after the trade we have another important option, that is account history. Okay, all of our account history will be shown here, and I will explain again that how to get our account statement. For that what we need to do, just right click there and click on this option. Okay, save as detailed report, and after that it will, a new pop-up window will open, and just click on this save. Okay, and I want to replace my old one, so here I got my account statement also. Okay, so basically in terminal two options are very important, accounts history and trade. Okay, so this was the explanation of what is terminal in our MT4.